Yo, everybody. All right, so it's a rainy day in New York. It's morning, approximately 42 degrees Fahrenheit. Rained earlier, so ran, got some gas, knocked a little bit of the rain off the car. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a shine on it. So this is going to be a quick type of a detail and show you how easy it is. But there's obviously some dirt in the rain and something I'm constantly dealing with. So this is how I do it. I've got some used microfibers here. They're not bad. We're just gonna walk around and knock a bit of rain off. Then we'll pick what we're gonna use as a type of maybe a detail spray, such as there's one right there. But I'm thinking something else. So you're gonna constantly keeping up with things like this. It's not too bad actually, but there's dirt. Just went to mobile. When I go back through, there's not too much rain, water left. Almost ready to just go detail spray on this thing. Probably just leave it. Okay. Yeah, so as long as you don't have a ton of rain on it, it's dried. This will be quick and easy, painless. Let's go with this green goblin. Stuff is pretty good stuff. Whoop. Spray shine, that's the stuff. So with that, we are going to take some of these little blue towels, which came from Wally World, a roll. They're both low nap. And we're going to apply the product, wipe it off, and then we'll come through. So this is technically, this green goblin stuff I call lucent spray shine, so a synthetic spray wax, which I feel we should be able to use. Just a little dirt there. Let's go detail spray real fast, quick. Do all this on film. This is just a cheapo detailer, which is good. Found. I like to pull it. I don't know, I should have shaken it up. Just to get this dirt off before we put the goblin on. We'll do a little bit of that. Wow, that was quick. So easy. This will help get a little extra moisture off, I think, too, before we lay down that green goblin. It's just good stuff. I like it. Here's high wear area, your fender. All that blowback from driving. So this will just help get it cleaned up enough that we could lay down the spray wax. The towel kind of saturated with the product too. All right. So she's pretty clean, I think. Trunk. All right, let's grab some of these towels just to dry it. Just gonna walk around. It's all buff. Ow. So she's got plenty of good stuff on her already. But because it rained, I had to dry it, and now I'm gonna just add something else. This is just another little drying step. I don't feel like there's not much for dirt on the paint. It's clean. I got it dried off. But before applying this green wax, I just wanted to dry it a little further. So that's what this step's all about with this fresh towel. Just a little more drying. Probably don't even need the wax. We could probably just dry and buff to a shine, but I feel that this green goblin lucent stuff is going to provide some sort of protection, and that's why we're going to add that. This dry towel here, we're just getting rid of detail spray residue and a little bit of dirt that was here from driving to and from mobile. So I had a dream last night that I won on a scratch off ticket, and in my dream it was number 25 and 27, and I remember the ticket pretty clearly when I woke up, what it looked like, which is these $30 ones they have, and I went and bought one at mobile, and it's number 25. So hey, who knows, stranger things have happened, but that would be dope if I was a winner. Well, I'll scratch that later at work. I think we're almost ready. So you just prepare by kind of just drying her off, you know. I did use some glass products on this car, and it was amazing how when I hit the windshield wiper, for example, the water just beaded right off so quickly. It was gone, and that was a definite improvement. So there's something to say about glass products also. Alright, let's just put you here while I go for this blue towel. There. These are nice. That will be for drying. This will be good for applying. Let's just find the green guy. So yeah, we're gonna try lucent spray shine 7 minutes later, but I think we can get through this pretty quick. So when you get it, you kind of grip and rip. I think I should have shook it more. But it'll pull across, applies the product in a larger range than if you just spray a blob. So that's why you kind of see me like that. That's kind of cool. Like Green Goblin cuts your car or something. Yeah, in these dark days, you want to bring a little protection to the car anyway. And a little pop is always nice if a car looks shiny and clean on a dark day. Maybe it'll brighten up somebody else's, who knows. Kind of positive rather than dreary. Shake her up. Bang. See how that looks rad. That definitely looks stripes. Okay. Just wiping it in the door jamb a little bit. We come back and buff it. I hit some on the hood, on the trunk. It's kind of cool out right now. It's going to require, that buffing. Just a couple dry towels and everything's going to get buffed in. That, I love it. Definitely pull like that. It's cool. And just like that, we're done half the car. So I'm gonna just show you guys kind of how easy it is. So I'm gonna go back through with a dry towel, and she's gonna be beautiful today. So I'll just grab a dry one. Don't make the video so long. See, it's just gonna buff off. Super shiny, even though it's a dark morning. You can still shine your car. Can still be popping, and it's gonna give it some protection. So I really recommend all this. You can do it at home in minutes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Everybody stay blessed. Cheers. One love. The little dragon guy. Yow.